Good morning, guys. Remember how I used to do these mobile vlogs? Well, since I got a new phone and since I made the London video, I realized that the phone camera is a lot better than the previous one. So I think I'm gonna do some more of those mobile vlogs. If you would be interested to see what I'm doing when I'm not making videos. My holiday is over now, I have to go back to work, but I still want to make videos just to get more of that watch time. Because look at this, guys. Look at that. I made a new record of watch time. And I know it's still not 4,000 hours, but hey, this is super a lot to me, and thank you so much guys for watching all my shit. So yeah, I made quite a lot of videos while I was on my holiday. I made 5 in 7 days. I usually make just once a week, so I just wanted to prove myself if I'm gonna make daily videos that I can do it and see if I would enjoy it, and I did. And of course, obviously, this is gonna be the craziest vlog ever because my life is super interesting. We are gonna take subway, we are gonna go to work, and then we're gonna go to post office because someone bought my old jumper on eBay and now I have to send it away. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready for work. Alright, package is ready and we're ready to go to work. It's almost light outside already. Okay, I'm ready to go and start a new week out there. It might look like it's really cold outside, but actually everything's melting, so everything's super slippery and people are falling down. And I could bet you money that the subway is gonna be completely crowded. Hey, so I'm finally off work and now I have to go to the post office.
Right, will it be?
Okay, post office is done and we can go home. I think I should get an award for being the worst eBay seller in the world. The person who bought it paid already like a week ago, but I was just too lazy to send the package. But now I had to be in the city center, so I did it. Hope I don't get a bad review. In the morning, this whole place was covered in snow. And now we are finally going home. The first day after the holiday at work is the hardest day. I mean, it wasn't really hard, it was just super boring. And now I pretty much remembered why I stopped doing those mobile vlogs. Because you know how people say that, well, I can't do daily vlogs because nothing interesting happens in my life. Well, really, nothing interesting happens in my life if I'm going to work. Except that helicopter. Well, if there's no snow and the grass is green, can we say it's spring already? Do you guys need a new TV? So, after I came home, it turned out to be a lot more productive day as I hoped. I thought I'm just gonna take a nap. I actually already made another video. This was my set. And yeah, so that video should be up before or after this vlog. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna edit one of them definitely today. I already put the lights back in. I kind of got bored of the whole blue wall, so I kind of decorated the whole thing, but the video turned out really nice, so now I'm just uploading the new video. So I'm just gonna clean up, have some dinner, and start editing. So that's pretty much it for today's video blog, and I hope this mobile vlog turned out to be something a little bit more interesting. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.